Hey guys, I want you to do me a favor really quick. I want you to imagine that you lost over $4 million in 2023, but you didn't lose your faith, you didn't lose your hope, you didn't lose your dream, and you just decided to start another program. You decided to join another program that could help you earn some passive income. And when you joined that program, you were expecting it to pay some phenomenal returns, okay? But in that time that you were doing that, you decided that you're going to also put in some work, right? So you're going to do the work that was necessary for you to achieve the goal that you wanted to achieve. Now, think about this, guys. I want you guys to understand that things don't always work out the way that you were expecting them to work out. Sometimes you have twists and turns, some plot twists, all of that type of stuff. But what I want you guys to understand is that if you don't give up on your dream, you can experience something absolutely amazing, like my good friend Sal Khan, who had went through a story that I just told you, right? And he actually decided that he was going to not give up, not give in, but he was going to keep going. He was going to make sure that he achieves his dream. And guys, what he is experiencing right now is absolutely amazing. I know you're probably looking at the thumbnail and saying, Anthony, you said a $55,000 withdrawal. What are you talking about? $4 million loss? Well, Sal this past week was able to do a $55,000 withdrawal from TLC Trading AI. And I want you guys to know that that is absolutely phenomenal, because he just lost $4 million last year. He could have gave up. He could have went and got a traditional job. He could not be living his dream right now, but because he didn't give up, he's able to do something incredible. I'm going to show you guys some information that you definitely want to take advantage of right now. Don't take this information for granted. I'm going to show you why we are excited about this platform and why we are running with this platform as hard as we are, and why we're trying to help as many people as we can. I know you guys have been through a lot. I know a lot has been going on, but I want you guys to see exactly what can happen when you actually take your dreams and your goals and you turn them into reality. Now, I want to share a few reasons why we are so excited about TLC Trading AI. This platform is doing some phenomenal things, but one of the things that makes us really confident in the platform is the transparency. There's API verifiable trading in the back office. You can actually see the trades that are entered, when they exit the trade, the profit on the trade, all of that type of stuff in the back office. They've integrated API verification. Now, if you're in the United States, then you have to use a VPN to be able to see that detailed information in the back office, so keep that in mind. The second way that they're showing transparency is that they are doing Zoom meetings, and those Zoom meetings are allowing you to see the behind the scenes of the traders actually trading cryptocurrency for the platform. All right, now here's the next thing, which is another level of transparency that you guys definitely want to see. If you were in the meeting in Armenia, or if you have a $50,000 package or more, you're able to connect your own account to the API trading also. So that's another level of transparency that you can actually take advantage of. I don't know if you guys have been in any other platforms who have went that far to actually give you the transparency that you want. Another reason we like TLC Trading AI so much is because it pays consistent profits. You can expect anywhere from 15 to 30% per month profit with TLC Trading AI. Now, that's absolutely incredible because it is hands-free. You don't have to worry about going in and looking at charts. You don't have to worry about analyzing crypto, wondering where the market is going to go, or any of that type of stuff to actually profit from the trading in the cryptocurrency market. So they put you in position to earn some real passive income. At this point, you're probably like, Anthony, this all sounds good, right? But in a way, it sounds too good to be true. But I do want to try it out. Is there a way that I could try this out? Yes, they have a trial package, right? That's our 20 USDT package, where you could get in and you can start with 20 USDT and start earning from the passive rewards program, right? Now, that is amazing that anybody could get in and they can actually start with $20. There's some third world companies where $20 is all they can actually afford to start with. But there's also just people who don't have the belief yet to go in with more. And it's great that you don't have to come in with thousands of dollars for you to be able to take advantage of the passive returns that are available with TLC Trading AI. The next reason why we like TLC Trading AI so much is because of the amazing compensation plan. Yes, if you're a builder or someone who likes to refer opportunities to other people to put them in position to win, then you can be compensated very well through this incredible compensation plan. Now, right up front, you're going to earn from the uni-level compensation plan, where you're going to earn with your direct and indirect referrals. When you refer somebody over to this program and they use your link to sign up and they purchase their own package so they can start earning passive income, you're going to earn anywhere from 10% on your first level down to 0.75% on your 15th level, guys. That's absolutely amazing. And what I love about this compensation plan is that you don't have to qualify for a particular rank in order for you to actually benefit from this uni-level compensation plan. The next thing that I like about this compensation plan is the matching bonus, because you can start earning some residual income, not based on what somebody else is paying, but what somebody else is being paid in passive income. That is absolutely amazing. So you're gonna earn 10% on your first level, 7% on your second level, 3% on your third level, 2% on your fourth level, and 1% on your fifth level. That's right, this matching bonus is paid 5 levels deep, and you definitely want to get in on that. Now, here's the next thing, guys, I want you guys to understand is that this compensation plan also has rank rewards. You're going to be able to earn anywhere from $1,300 as a rising star when you hit that rank, all the way up to $350,000 when you hit the top rank in the company, guys. So no matter what your ambitions are, you can actually earn income here, because it is a very rewarding company that has put things in place to make sure that you succeed if you're going to be referring this opportunity to other people. I can imagine you saying, Anthony, this was some incredible information. I'm glad you clarified some things for me, right? Now, I want you guys to understand that you can take advantage of this. All you got to do is get the link from the person that invited you. If you found out about this program through me and my YouTube channel, then you can drop down in the description of this video and you can actually get all the information you need to get started. Sign up, create your free account. Then you're going to want to make a deposit. Once you make a deposit and you know what package you want to start with, you're going to go ahead and purchase that package, and you'll start earning passive income through crypto trading within the next 24 to 48 hours. How many places can you actually do that, right? And I want to let you guys know that I'm here to support you. So you can always reach out to me, join my presentations, which we have live presentations on Tuesday and Thursday night, 8 p.m. that I host in my group, right? So you can attend those presentations. That information will actually be in the description of this video as well. My upline, Sal Khan, he actually hosts presentations right now from at 9 a.m. Eastern time and 9 p.m. Eastern time. And those presentations happen 7 days per week. So if you want to see somebody presenting this information who's actually succeeding with this company, then you can join one of our presentations, and you can even invite your people that you want to check out this information to these presentations as well. And then we can do all the presenting and you can make all the income from it, guys. This is what's absolutely amazing about teamwork. You don't go as far as your dream, you go as far as your team. And we want to be your team. We want to be your community. We want to help you succeed with this company. At this point in the video, you're probably wondering, Anthony, why did you put that $55,000 on the thumbnail? Well, I want to let you guys know that my upline, Sal Khan, did withdraw $55,000 from the platform, and you can check that information out right here. You see the transaction proof, right? But not only that, guys, I want you to let you know that that's not all. He actually made over $100,000 this past week. Yes, the gentleman that lost $4 million last year is back on track to make that and more. As a matter of fact, he has a goal of making $10 million within the next 18 months. Now, there's a quick question that I have for you. You want to be a part of that success story, or do you want to be a person that's going to sit back and on the sidelines and watch that success story happen, right? I want to be a participator, right? I want to participate in that success story while I'm creating my own success story. So if that's you too, then I want you guys to lock arms with us. I want you guys to really understand what's happening here, because so many people are winning over here. This is definitely the winning team. This is one of my top passive income plays and also one of my top active income plays. So come join the team, guys, if you're ready. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice, and nothing in any of my videos should be financial advice. I'm just a guy that's sharing my journey in this space and how I'm making passive and active income through cryptocurrency. Now, if you're interested in that, then I want you guys to lock arms with me. I want you guys to take this thing to the next level with me. Let's rock out. Let's go. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.